looking for something better.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another vlog. Today is Friday 26th of March, and yes, I am still in Nairobi, Kenya. So I actually don't have any plan for today. I'm still feeling like jet lagged. I won't lie, I've not rested enough. But I rested yesterday because I came in on Wednesday and today's Friday. But still, anyways, I'll just like show you guys around. We moved, actually. We were staying downstairs and I told them that I wasn't feeling the downstairs room because it did not have views. So we moved upstairs. So I'm just going to like show you what this room looks like. First of all, I am staying in one of the best hotels in Nairobi. Actually, I saw this hotel on Dimma's channel. You guys know that Dimma, okay, if you guys know Dimma has actually been to Kenya before, and when I was looking for where to stay, I decided to, you know, go to that particular video and see the hotel that she stayed in. So this is one of the hotels she stayed in, and immediately I saw it, I was like, okay, I can do this hotel. So this is Park Inn Hotel by Radisson, and it's very beautiful. You guys, they have like this really cute color scheme. Like each room has like a different color theme. So this one is actually color green. So basically everything you'll be seeing in the room will be green, like the furniture's green, everything. But let me show you around. When you walk into the room, there's like a small corridor here, and this side is, there's like this place here where you can keep your bags and your shoes. As you can see, our shoes are here already and my bags are here, and there's this painting here. If I'm going to bed and I don't want them to disturb me, I can just put this good night in front of the door, this do not disturb sign, which is very, very nice. When you walk in, there's another small space here where I just kept my bags, some of my bags, because I don't think I want to unpack. Guys, I feel like if I should unpack, I won't be able to pack very well. So here is where the TV is, and there's a chair here, and you know, you could just do anything. Oh, this is the bed area. Guys, let me show you something that is so cool about this place. You guys, this thing can change color. Can you guys see this? Like you can literally, like you can operate it here. This is the remote control for it. So if I click on blue, it changes. If I click on purple or whatever this color is, I don't know this color. Sorry, the camera is making it do like this, I don't know why. If I click on red or purple, you guys, I don't know color, gosh, yellow, this is yellow. So like this stuff is so nice at night, like when everywhere is so dark and you just want your bed frame to light up alone, and you want to change the color, you can just click on this, or you can just click on this and it keeps changing by itself while you sleep. It's so cool, guys. Okay? You could just sit down and chill here, and there's this really cute big lamp here, and this is where I get to see the whole of Nairobi. This is why I was like, I don't like the downstairs room they kept us in at first, and I told them that I wanted to come up so that I could wake up and see everywhere. Okay, so I know all I can see is just trees and some buildings, but still, it's still something. This area, guys, is so cute. You can take cute pictures here. I think I'm really taking like some photos here. You must have seen it already on Instagram. You're not following me on Instagram, please follow me on Instagram. You can actually walk here and also walk here. Like this curtain, this area is so large. I really like it. So the favorite part of this room is actually the toilet and the bathroom. So let me show you guys what that place looks like. So guys, this is what the bathroom looks like. I told you guys that the hotel has like a color theme for each room, and this one is green. So this is what I was talking about. This is so nice, and it has a shower over here. You guys can see the shower. I like this light. This light just makes my face to pop every time. So this is the sink, and this is the toilet. It's actually quite small, I won't lie, but it's very chic. I think that, I feel like with this hotel, they actually tried so hard to make the hotel very modern and very chic. Like even when you go downstairs to the lobby, to their restaurant, to like anywhere, like it's very, very chic. Like, and the hotel is very new, like it's still very new. But I want to create content for a particular brand. They sent this thing to me before I left Lagos, and I was supposed to do it in Lagos, but I traveled immediately, so I couldn't. So I have to do that today, and I need to put it on my channel. I said on my channel, I need to post it on Instagram tomorrow before they kill me. I actually told them that because I've been trying to settle down. I've actually been trying to settle down since I got here, so that's what I'm gonna do today.
Driving around in California, looking for something to make me stay. Round and round forever, searching for something that could never get replaced. Don't need you to save me, but I just really need to be saved. I'm just so sick of waiting for any luck to come my way. Yeah. Feel good, be good, stay good, and live good. If I could feel good, I'd live good, I'd die good.
I'm an odd person, I run in dark circles. I would love a long life, cause I love how life's worthless. I'ma paint purple, cause blue's overrated. We all outdated, we all so jaded. We all lost love like love's our savior. It's a dark place when it's all about the paper. Cutting pretty cards before they deal you something heinous. I've been studying sitting on my ass. I'm so contemporaneous, in love with my behavior. But really I could probably try and be something greater. Cause I'm my favorite, you could tell me something different, but I probably wouldn't listen, no I probably wouldn't listen. The word, that's the ego, scared is taking over. But fuck it if it's fun to run my tongue up on these road fronts. But I know I could lose it all if I'm not careful. I sound scared, hope you feel that my heart's there though.
Don't need you to save me, but I just really need to be saved. I'm just so sick of waiting.
Good morning, guys. Today is Saturday, 10 a.m. I just woke up and I want to go and have breakfast, guys. Breakfast is usually from 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. in the mornings on weekdays, but because today is a weekend, they always extend it to 10:30. So I still have time because it's actually 10 a.m. already. There is fire on the mountain. I'm trying not to be super dramatic, but there's problem and there's fire on the mountain, and I'll get into all of that later in the afternoon when I come back from eating and just chilling and settling down. But yo, there's problem, oh.
You love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home. You love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home.
Yes, so today I decided to show you guys what I am having for breakfast. And honestly, sometimes I don't even understand what it is that I am eating. I know that this is potato, then this is bacon. I like this one a lot. Then I now added baked beans and sausage and toast bread and this thing. I don't know how to pronounce it. Is it croissant? How do you pronounce it, babe? Croissant. Yes, croissant. Then I'm having fruit salad here and orange juice.
Oh, but I'm still drunk, that's hangover. Might run it back when this page over. You the best thing I done slaved over. Gon' arch you back and been way over. It's overdue for that understressing. Over him, now you underdressing. Call me up and I come finessing. Like, ooh, we shot it, what it do, what it don't. Baby, you a queen, you can move how you want.
Okay, hey guys. So, I just had breakfast. I just came back upstairs now because I'm done with breakfast and all. Where do I even start from? Let me tell you what is going on right now, because like I said in the morning before I left, we used to stay in one place, that there is trouble, and I don't know why I'm so smiling. Okay, so this is going to this is going to be long somehow. This talk is going to be long somehow, but you guys should just listen and stay with me. Honestly, I don't even know how this vlog would be, because today I was supposed to go out today. Like, I had things to do today in Nairobi. There's this place I really wanted to see, and I wanted to have lunch in this really nice restaurant, one of the most popular restaurants in Nairobi. I wanted to go there and have lunch today, so I called the restaurant and they said they're only doing delivery for now because there is partial lockdown in Nairobi. Partial lockdown means that they have curfew, so their curfew starts from 8 p.m. to 4 a.m. but still restaurants can't open. Okay, restaurants can't open. Other places can open, like if I want to go to the national park and see the animals, or I want to do like some other things, I could do them, but there's curfew. So once it's like 7 p.m, you have to start looking for how to go back to your house because of their curfew and all. So last night, their president actually addressed the country. At least they have presidents that can address country. My friend said at least they have presidents that can address country. So their president addressed the country last night, and he was listing so many things. So apparently I'm in the red zone. They call Nairobi the red zone. So they listed like 4 cities in Kenya. There's Nairobi and 3 other cities that I can't pronounce their name. They are also in the red zone. So meaning we can't leave or come in. I don't know how to explain. See, last night, guys, I was panicking. Then I called one of my Kenyan friends, because I have a friend here in Kenya, but she's not here. She's in Dubai. She lives in Dubai, but she's Kenyan. So I called her, and she was like, she can't really know what's going on because she's living in Dubai now, but she would link me up with someone who can actually help me. So I tried calling that one, and the number did not go. Then it was Mimi that came through for me, because I told Wumi. So Wumi now sends me someone's number. Wumi, if you're watching this, God bless you. Wumi now sends me somebody's number to call, because she was trying to help me. She was looking for a solution. My friends were looking for a solution for me last night. Before I continue, let me just say something. Get you friends that whenever you bring a problem to them, they are looking for solution immediately for you, and they're not like blaming you and laughing at you and saying stuff like, why did you do this, why did you do that? They're just trying to look for how to make your problem disappear. Those are the kind of friends I have in my circle. So as I was saying, So Wumi now sends me somebody's number, and I now called the person, and the person was even expecting my call, and the person now explained everything to me, that what is actually going on is a partial lockdown and not a full lockdown. So I can't really go out like that. And then again, there are COVID-19 cases, like it is rapidly increasing. Like, so even if I want to go out and I want to do things, guys, right now I would even be scared. I mean, like things are still working fine, okay, but they just have a coffee. So even if I want to like take the risk and say, okay, let me go and see this place today, let me go and do this today, even me, I will be scared because of how bad their COVID-19 cases are here. Do you guys get what I'm trying to say? So even if I say let me risk it, I don't even know, because I'll be scared. Because what if I go out and I get the COVID, and I'm just because I'm trying to create content? So it's more like I don't want to take that risk. I just want to stay in the hotel till 14 days is over. Then I go back to Dubai, and probably I'll just do more of sit down videos than going around. But then again, who comes to a new city just to sit down? But then again, who wants to risk having COVID-19? Do you get? So like I'm in like, like this now. That's what is happening to me right now. So the thing is that I can actually do things. I can actually go out, but once it's time for the coffee, you go back inside. But the important question is, do I want to risk that? Do I want to risk my life? That is the problem that I am facing right now. Then again, we're also scared international flights. We actually thought we can't leave. We actually thought that we were going to stay here and be stuck. But as of this morning, a flight still left for Dubai from Kenya. So we're like, okay, fine, they're still letting international flights to go. Assuming they were not letting international flights to go, just know that we will start the movement called #PrayForIhoma, because I will be stuck in this place with nothing to do and nowhere to go. I'll just be in the hotel room. So I'm just glad that, okay, international flights can still go. For now, as at what we had last night, and as at what we saw this morning, some flights still left for Dubai. That's what your girl is facing right now. Like I said today, I was supposed to go out, but I can't go anywhere. This vlog is going to be somehow, honestly. It's going to be, number one, this vlog is going to be short, because the thing I was supposed to do for you guys, I can't do it. I am here. So This vlog is probably going to be like 7 minutes or 6 minutes or 8 minutes, because honestly speaking, there's nothing I'm doing. So I'm sorry guys, you guys should just bear with me. We didn't see this one, we didn't plan this one. No, it was when Ihoma entered that they decided to do lockdown. If this is the end of the vlog, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video, hopefully. Bye.
Yeah, it's getting to me.